Hey guys, welcome back to my husband's channel because apparently he's gonna take over this channel for the next few days.
Hey guys, welcome back to my wife's channel. So I try to vlog my little trip to North Carolina, and I don't know, it's not the same when it's my wife and I, because I'm probably not a vlogger. But anyhow, I'm out here in North Carolina. Left California to Phoenix. Lay over 4 hours from Phoenix to North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina. Then from Charlotte, North Carolina to Greensboro, North Carolina. So I'm about to meet this guy that is selling a car, and I'll save that for later for you guys to see what kind of car that I'll be buying. But yeah, North Carolina right now is really hot. It's a bunch of green out here. It's nice. But about 32 minutes away, so I will film more when I get to my destination. Oh wow, 85. Oh wow. Okay guys, so as you can see, sweating out here. It's like 99 degrees out here in North Carolina. So the transaction's complete. Just waiting for the shippers. I have the title and everything, and only thing I don't have is the damn car. Why am I upside down? Anyhow, I've been having a really bad morning because the shipping company that I hired are giving me the runaround, and finally I found someone, but obviously I would have to pay the price. It's even more expensive now. So that's my morning. So now I'm gonna go to Costco to fill up, and found a spot for some good southern food. So I just got to scramble some Southern Comfort food here in North Carolina. So I'm gonna show you the food when it comes out. I'm gonna head back to the airport. I'm gonna get gas first. Okay. Here we go. Damn, it's freaking hot out here. Okay. All by myself. Oh, except for that guy right there. Right there. there. So we gotta take these little planes to go to Charlotte, North Carolina to take the big commercial planes. And those planes in there are hella small. You feel hella claustrophobic. Here I am. Got delayed and rerouted to Philly. We talked about us having priority passes. Sometimes airports will be able to accommodate priority pass holders for lounges and stuff like that. Philly doesn't have a lounge, but they have a minute suite. Unfortunately, it's different than the other lounges where there's food, drinks, and everything. This one just provides a place for you that you can bring food, nap, watch TV, relax. They give you like a little mini suite. So basically this gives you pillows, bed, and TV, snacks. I bought my own Philly cheesesteak, bed, alarm clock, nice TV. So I'm just gonna relax a little bit and eat my Philly cheesesteak, and then hop on the plane to SFO. It's been one hell of a journey. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Forgot to mention, obviously, when you're in Philly, they say you gotta get Philly cheesesteak. So, this is what I got. Geno's steak right here. Philly cheesesteak. Got little condiments, sauce. This is it.